Mary and the Village Garden. Mary was a kind woman. She lived in a small village surrounded by hills and trees. She wasn't rich. She didn't have many fancy things. But she did have something very special. A big, beautiful garden behind her little house. Every morning, Mary woke up early. She tied her hair in a bun and put on her apron before stepping outside. She loved the smell of the earth. She loved the sound of birds singing. And she loved the feel of the cool morning breeze. With a watering can in one hand and a basket in the other, she greeted her plants like old friends. "Good morning, roses." She sprinkled water over their red and pink petals. "Good morning, tomatoes. You're looking round and shiny today." The children from the village often peeked through Mary's fence. They loved to watch her work. Somehow, everything in her garden seemed happier and brighter than anywhere else. One day, a little girl named Anna asked, "Mary, why do your flowers grow so tall? And why do your vegetables taste so sweet?" Mary smiled and invited Anna inside the garden. "It's not just water and sunshine. Plants grow best when they are cared for with patience and love, just like people." From then on, the children began to visit Mary after school. She showed them how to plant seeds, how to pull weeds gently so the roots wouldn't break, and how to wait patiently for sprouts to peek out of the soil. At first, the children found it hard to wait. But Mary always told them, "Good things take time. A seed doesn't bloom overnight. And neither do we." As the weeks passed, the garden grew fuller and brighter. Soon, it wasn't just Mary's garden anymore. It became the village garden. Families shared vegetables. Neighbors picked flowers for birthdays. And children proudly showed their parents the plants they had helped raise. Mary was happiest of all. She loved watching the children laugh and run through the rows of flowers, their pockets full of beans, and their hearts full of joy. And though she never said it out loud, Mary knew the garden wasn't just growing plants. It was growing kindness, patience, and love in every child who came through the gate.